everyone to another episode of Fey Fitness. Today I'm going to show you a more advanced plank move called a plank jack, which combines not only a plank, but also a jumping jack. So again, we're really focusing on that core and our legs. Plus it's super fun. So if you'd like to learn how to do this exercise, stay tuned and I'll show you how. Thank you so much for tuning in today, everyone. As you saw in the introduction, today I'm going to show you how to do plank jacks, which are a fun way to mix up both your core and lower body routine to really just kind of mix it up a bit and make it more fun. So for this one, I would recommend being on a yoga mat as opposed to the hardwood floor. We are going to be on our hands and toes for this exercise, but because we're jumping around a little bit, with the addition of the jumping jack into the plank, this might be just a little bit more comfortable for you, or if you have some carpet, feel free to do it on carpet. But we're going to go ahead and start off by getting in a normal plank on our hands. So again, we're just going to come up on our toes. Our hands are going to be under the shoulders. We don't have our booty way up in the air, and we're not sagging down low, putting that extra stress on the spine. We're just nice and flat. We want to start with our toes kind of together, because when we incorporate the jump jack, we're going to jump out to the sides and then back. So this is just how you do a plank jack. We're just going to jump out and in. So out and in is 1. So you can do this 10 to 15 times, or if you want, you can set a timer and do this as a timed exercise for, say, 30 seconds, a minute, whatever suits your fancy. And just remember, you want nice, good form the entire time. And that's how you do a plank jack. If you have any questions, please leave those in the comments down below. Otherwise, I'll see you next week for another Fey Fitness video. So until then, bye guys! Thank you so much for tuning in today, everyone. I really appreciate the views and the support and the community that we're forming here on my channel. If you would like to watch another great video, please click on either side of the screen here to watch either a popular upload or one of my most recent videos that I've uploaded. And as always, if you have questions, please leave them in the comments down below of any video. I check this channel very often and try to stay up to date on everything. And if you're new to this channel, please hit that like and subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all of my new content. So again, thank you so much for watching. It's been a pleasure getting to know all of you, and I hope to interact with more of you in the future. Until then, bye guys.